So today we're conducting a learning tour. We have visitors from Crawley ISD coming in as part of the Community Partnerships Grant. With the partnership with the child cares in our community, what happens is that the district provides a certified bilingual teacher to go into the 3 and 4-year-old classrooms.
We came really with the intention to focus on the child care centers, and that collaboration in our district are looking at ways to expand 3-year-old opportunities. And so the model that is here is one that really intrigued us.
Early childhood is critical for our students, and so it starts at home. And what the collaboration with Hidalgo County Head Start program, PSGISD, does is it highlights the early learning at the age of 3, and the students are here full day. And so we really take advantage of that time with the students. But not only are they learning academically, we're also reaching out and teaching them social skills, emotional skills, and they have the opportunity for the health services as well. So we're looking at the entire student, the whole student, as opposed to just academics and preparing them for kindergarten. So it's a whole student approach.
The classroom sounds of learning and play, I just did not expect to see it that way. Like, it was amazing. 3-year-olds were having full out literacy lessons. The classrooms were managed well. Things were very orderly, and the kids seemed very happy. The center directors had great things to say about the collaboration, and so we really, really just enjoy seeing those child care centers. We've also got to meet some principals here, and we've learned about their journey as school leaders and what it took for them to really understand the benefits of being very intentional about focusing on foundational grade levels, and talked about their journey through that mind shift. And so those two things have been extremely impactful. There have been a lot of other things we've learned today, but those two things are things that we hope to carry with us and to try to implement for our next school year right away.
We are very proud of our collaboration, how it helps our students, and we really reach out to our community, especially our early childhood students in the Hidalgo County area.
That's what brought us down from the Metroplex, was to really go and see those collaborative classrooms in those child care centers, and even here at the campus, seeing these Head Start classrooms and the models they have here. We've been really, really impressed by what we've seen today.